everyone, I'm Allie.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we're doing a product spotlight for you today on one of the newest beads coming out of the Czech Republic, the Spear Bead. Do you feel like you need to...
Dangerous.
Sounds dangerous. Get my weapons out, ready to defend. So the Spear Bead, oddly enough, is a 3-hole bead. And we literally just played with these on Facebook Live and on Twitch. So we were kind of trying them out, getting them fresh and first to you.
I actually really like this bead. In the green, I said it looks kind of like a holly leaf.
It does look a little holly leaf. The red, I said it kind of looks like lips or bow ties.
It looks like kissing lips,
And the fun thing that we didn't realize until we poured them out is that it doesn't have 1 hole. It doesn't have 2 holes. It has 3 holes to it. So it's kind of a fun thing to figure out as we're working. And I did it here just in this little peyote strip. And it has a 2mm crystal, Potomac crystal round right in the middle. You could also use a 1.5 by 2mm rondelle.
I love these beads that just fit so well together in a peyote because then you can have fun just switching up the colors and doing, you can just kind of do that peyote and have fun with the colors. And you can also use it for more complicated projects. But anything that looks really good in peyote is just a really cool bead to have in your collection.
And Bridget was playing around with them as well here, just with some Super Duo beads. Same thing, doing that kind of basically round peyote. And as we were saying towards the end of the stream, we said, you know, it's kind of like the Arcos that you don't really need to use all the holes.
Right.
Because of the shape, I have a 2 by 3mm rondelle here. You can't even notice that I didn't use the center hole on the outer. So I kind of came to the upper. And you don't even notice because it has that little indentation working with it too.
So that's nice. It's a versatile bead because you've got really 2 or 3 holes that you can use.
Yeah, so you have that center hole there. You have the one at the top and then the one at the bottom. The one thing I would say to be aware of is because you have 3 holes, you definitely want to check the holes before you get started on your project because there are three opportunities for a little piece of glass to be in there or some shrapnel or some of the coating that you can take
and you
out.
can see on these crystals you can see those 3 holes really well.
Yeah, you can see those kind of nicely. And something to keep in mind if you are getting a crystal sunset or something like that that has it on one side versus the other, a lot of times when it has that coating on one side, you will see those holes, so just keep that in mind as part of your design.
But also going along with that, these are nice because they're flat on both sides, so it's not a bead that you have to worry about having one side up, one side down, which can be a problem when you've got the coating on one side or the other.
Annoyance, yes. This one you can go either way.
This one doesn't matter.
And it's not going to matter in the design. So we're excited to kind of work with these. They are, again, 5 by 8mm. We're selling them in packs of
5 by 9.
5 by 9. 5 by 9. Yeah, 5 by 9mm. I don't want to throw anybody off. But they're a fun new bead. We just literally about 5 minutes ago got to play around with them. We'll have some tutorials coming out, but we wanted to make sure to get that into you, make sure that you know the 3 holes, so unlike us, you don't get to designing and think, oh no, where'd that extra one come from? But showing how to use them and really create that space and allow it, even a simple design here, I forgot to show using a 6mm bead down the center of them. They're green beads, of course, they don't show up. But 6mm down the center and kind of spacing them along. And honestly, I'm surprised. I like the 3 holes. So I like that center hole. I'm excited to use it.
You use 2 or 1, so it's kind of, you get that versatility.
Kind of fun with it and a fun shape. So we're happy to get them. If you need to check them out at all, you can go below us in the link to potomacbeads.com as well as potomacbeads.eu. You can order all your supplies from us online, as well as subscribe to us. Hit that little bell down below so that way you get regular updates when we have new things to try out, to show you, and to give spotlights. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and have fun playing with your spear beads. Get your spears ready to go and hack away and go to battle with your spears.